Hey everybody, this video we got a master lock number 77 from eBay. I got this without a key. Super old lock, it looks like. Got a M1 keyway like they still use today. And I don't know the last time this thing actually opened, but hopefully the next time it opens will be here in a few minutes. And we're going to use a Peterson hook and a 50 thousandths pry bar. And we're open. So, not too bad. A little 4-pin lock. And so, anyway, Master Lock 77 there. It's a single pin picked. And I guess that's going to do it for this video. And we will talk to everybody later.